70,000.
Lot 211 requires replacement of the clutch fork, but it will be repaired without cost to the successful buyer. Lot 211 is the 1969 Ferrari 365 GTC. These GT Ferraris were only in production for 1 year, and as compared to its predecessor, the big news is under the hood. A 4.4-liter V-12 putting out 320 horsepower. The car was fully restored several years ago in this beautiful shade of blue over tan hides, and it sits on Ferrari wire wheels with the desirable factory air conditioning, the 1969 Ferrari 365 GTC.
Thank you very much, Alan. Ladies and gentlemen, on the Ferrari 365, so elegant in the midnight blue. What should we say? Where do you want to start? $400,000 to start. 400,000. Opening bid of 400,000. Thank you, gentlemen. 400,000 I have right here in front of me. At 400,000, I have 500, 500,000 si tu veux. Frédéric, oui, bien sûr, 500,000. I have 500,000 bid. Avec toi, 500,000. Do I have 600,000 now, gentlemen? At $500,000, 550. Thank you. 550, on a 550 contre toi, 600 si tu veux. 600,000, merci. I got 600,000 on the aisle on my left at 600,000. Now 650. Now 650. Would you bid me $650,000? 650, thank you. 650. You're out here, c'est contre toi aussi. On est à 650,000, 700,000, merci. At 700,000, I have France. At 700,000, do I have 750 now? At $700,000, do I have 750,000 now? Sure? Well, at 700,000, 725, thank you, 725. On est à 725,000 contre toi. Réfléchis si tu veux, at 725,000 is against you. 750 si tu veux. 750,000, $750,000 I have. Do I have 775,000 now from you, Stephanie, on the telephone? We're at $750,000. Would you bid me 775? 775, thank you. 775,000. Do I have 800,000 from either of you now? We're at 775,000. Then you're out on the telephone. C'est contre toi aussi. On est à 775,000. T'es sûr? Well, it's against you, and it's against you on the telephone then. At $775,000, if we're all done, ladies and gentlemen, at $775,000. If I have no better bid, c'est contre toi, you're out here as well. Tu es sûr? At $775,000 then, all done, all finished. At 775. Are you having a little thinking time, Stefan? At 775. Do I have 800,000 now? In, out, you let me know. At 775,000, are you doing a Shelby on me? At 775, well, I can't wait any longer. Are we all done? All finished? At 775, 780. Thank you. 790 now. 790. 790. You out? C'est contre toi toujours. À 780,000, est-ce que t'es sûr? Well, you're out here in front of me. I take it you're out on the telephone then at $780,000 then. I'm all done. I'll finish at 780. In, out. I can't wait any longer. All done. I'll finish at 780,000. Pass that one, 780. Not quite enough.